cooling in Jamaica on the white warm sand. Sipping on the juice and I get a suntan. If you're thinking I'm a tourist, I'm a West Indian. What are the Bajan? Born in England and a true African. I'm gonna take it cool for a day. Just feel the waves. Take time for myself.